Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a vegetable chutney recipe. The ingredients we need for this recipe are 1 large capsicum cut into small cubes, chana dal 3 tablespoons, grated coconut half cup, dried red chilli 4 to 5. If we want the chutney to be more spicy, we can add more red chilli. A small piece of ginger and a small piece of tamarind, 1 teaspoon oil and salt as needed. Let's see the procedure to make capsicum chutney. Capsicum chutney is ready. This is a very tasty recipe. We can eat this with idli, dosa or even roti. Try this and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.